I just did some testing on this unit, and it runs and it looks okay. I started to design some skirts for it, so this gets hidden and it outlines the wheels, and I'm going to be adding the accessory mounts for the linkage. I just wanted to show you how this frame system works. This is our frame rail. This mimics how locomotives were built back in the day. They would lay down this real heavy steel and weld it all up in a square and then start mounting pieces top and bottom. What I've done is taken this 10 millimeter thick rail and split it down the middle, and the upper half takes on the body permanently and mounts it, and then the lower half takes on mounting to the chassis and all of the skirt arrangements that you want down below, cutouts and fenders and whatnot. And it mounts to the chassis, this mounts the body, and then the two of them have interfaces that line up, and I can screw the two of them together and they just lift off. So this is now loose and it should just lift off. It should just, oh, I might have to slide it forward. It does come underneath the smoke on that cross brace. Oh yeah, there we go. That's what I wanted you to see, how hard this would be to take apart. Not. Okay, now this would be the running chassis with the lower frame assembled, and I'm going to swap out this to this chassis. I just tested this chassis because I want to test the motor on it. Different reason, but it's the same. It's a Pulmar armature with DC magnets and gear, and I'm going to be switching the smoke in and putting the gear in and changing the adapters over, and we should be in good shape in a few minutes. And I'll be reassembling it, drilling the hole for the smoke exit, and we're going to try to get this on the rails and tested today. Okay, more later.